We're gonna work on the cross moving backwards, okay? And how to technically accomplish this. This is where the power is coming from. Now, I have to be able to move in and out,
Right.
okay? You're gonna follow me down. You're following. Okay?
So once you plant, it's gonna be real quick. When you plant your foot, are you gonna be up in the heel?
Yep.
Heel off the ground.
Absolutely.
And twist.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's slow motion, if you're gonna
So-
follow me slow motion.
Your heel is gonna be up when you
Yep.
impact
Planning.
with the twist. Your heel is up.
Yep.
So this heel is bang.
Yeah.
This heel is like bang.
Yeah.
Up. Cause it's like whoom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, absolutely. It's all about getting used to, you're luring them into a trap.
Right.
Okay? So, Don was asking me earlier, more advanced opponents, we never want to move just straight back. We want to make sure and move circular. So with this, when I'm moving back, circular, okay? I have to move
So
circular.
you're not keeping a line.
No.
When you're dealing with more advanced opponents, what he's saying, you have to basically move your center so they can never center on you and catch you focused.
Yep.
So you have to always constantly readjust your center so they can't actually find you. It's like peekaboo hide and seek.
A lot of people are awkward punching going backwards, okay? I just have to get used to, my footwork's really good. You're gonna follow me down. We're here, follow. See?
Right.
Okay? Moving, backwards. Remember, we can't just practice our techniques like this standing here.
No,
Standing here,
because I might come over.
we have to move. Always move, always keep your opponent guessing. You have to. Constant movement, never stop. So, yeah,
Gotcha.
that's our cross, backward cross.